Hey guys, coming up tonight we'll be making Southwestern beef wraps with crispy tortilla strips and avocado. Stay tuned. Just a quick note, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video as well as my other videos, please consider smashing a like button. With that said, if you need the recipe guide, in the description there's a link, shoots over to the site. You can follow step by step. If you need any cooking tools, there's a link in the description and on the website for that as well. And finally, this meal is being brought to you by Plated, so if you want to try them out, a special deal link is in the description as well on the website. So with that said, let's get right. Here are the ingredients we're working with tonight. We have a can of diced tomatoes, approximately 14.5 ounces. We have a can of black beans, approximately 15.5 ounces. We have 1 avocado, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 lime. We also have 1 head of Boston lettuce. We have 1/8 ounce of cilantro. We have 2 scallions. We have 12 ounces of ground beef. We have 2 packets of non-fat sour cream. Each pack is 1 ounce. We have 2 corn tortillas. And we have 1/4 teaspoon of chili pepper. Or chili powder. Sorry, chili powder. You can see that. We need a few things to cook this meal, nothing too crazy. Medium to large size pan. 5 bowls to slice and dice things. Some olive oil. Salt and pepper. Can opener. And your favorite knife. I'm going to rinse the produce and I'll be right back. So we're going to half the bell pepper, remove the ribs and seeds, and cut into 1/4 inch pieces. Mince the cilantro stem and seeds. Cut the lime into 4 quarts wedges. Thinly slice scallions. Drain the diced tomatoes and juice. Then rinse and drain the black beans. Pretty simple. We're not going to slice the tortillas into strips. That's pretty simple. We're going to go down and then across. Pretty simple. We're now going to get the pan on nice and hot. Add about 2 tablespoons or so of oil. And we're going to spread the oil. And we're going to lay the tortilla strips down and we're going to make them crispy. About 3-4 minutes, nothing too crazy. Just watch them and then we're going to have to flip them a few times. Get all nice and oily. There we go. Right, about halfway done, got another minute or 2. Again, we're doing this on a low medium flame. You just want it crispy, you don't want them burnt or anything. So you just keep on them, moving them around as they crisper up. Like this one's starting to. So we've done about a minute or 2. So we're just about done. You can hear them, they're pretty crispy now. You want to cut the heat. Take a plate with a little, with some paper towel. A little hot. And we're going to add a little salt, just a pinch, to these strips. There we go. Let's put that to the side and chill out for a little bit, and we're going to the next. We're now going to add the beef to the pan. And we're going to cook for about 5 minutes. Break it up. Spoon, whatever utensils you want to use. Add a pinch of salt. Pinch of pepper. And continue to cook on. So 4 or 5 minutes, about 4 minutes. Alright, we're now going to add the pepper and the scallions. Make sure you get them all out. And we let this cook for around 2 minutes. Also add half the chili powder. Mix that in. You can add more if you like. How spicy you like it. About another minute left. So the diced add diced tomatoes. So just cook for another 2 minutes. The black beans are on deck. We're now going to add half the beans. I'm just going to warm them, so it's only going to be for about a minute. We're going to try it out, see how it tastes, see if it needs any salt, sugar, whatever. No, it's fun. I'm going to slice the avocado. Tip, if you don't need to use all of it, not a problem. Just the half that you don't use, just put a little olive oil on there, put it in the fridge, and it should stay for about a day or 2. So, easy peasy. Turn. We'll only use the one side right now. See if we need the rest later. And just pop it out. Usually just does, but this one a little hard, unfortunately. But it'll come off. Peels right off. Usually. Go. There's 1, here's 2. Oh, this one came off a little bit easier. Then we're going to thinly slice. we're gonna now plate the dish. Hopefully you can see everything. There's a lot of stuff to put together. So we're gonna take a couple of leaves, add some of the beef and veggies, an avocado too, so the crispy chips, or slices I guess. A little cilantro, one's done. Next one. 1, 2, beef and veggies. It should be about 3 or 4 for each person. A little avocado. Some of the sliced pieces. Cilantro. What am I missing? One of those and some sour cream. Of course it's not coming out. Try this side. And we have a winner. And we'll do one more. Avocado, tortilla slices, nice and crispy, you can hear it, cilantro, and some sour cream. There we go. Easy peasy. Ladies and gents, tonight's meal. Stay tuned for the review. Guys, delicious meal. It's a myriad of delicious flavors that, you know, really, it makes it a really nice meal. Very quick to make, which is always a plus. Very flavorful. You got a hint of spice from the chili powder, not too much, just a hint. So if you guys like an explosion of spice, and a little more of that. Avocado is pretty good. Give a nice little enhancement, as well as the sour cream and the cilantro with a squeeze of lime on top of the lettuce wrap, lettuce cup. Again, delicious. The beef was seasoned to my liking as well, so had no complaints on that. So I did that right. Aside from that, there really isn't anything bad to comment on at all. This was a really good meal, so I definitely recommend you guys try it out. If you have, comment below, message me directly. Let me know what you think. Any comments, critiques, criticisms, refunds, feel free to shoot them at me. If you've not subscribed to the video, please, to the channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, as well as my other ones, please smash that like button. Until next time, keep cooking.